You don't normally think much about your car's battery, but when you go to start your engine and all you hear is click, your battery is all you can think about. Batteries need TLC. Here are some simple ways to keep yours healthy. First, find where your battery is located. In most cars it's under the bonnet, but you might also find it in the boot, under a seat or in the floor. Check your owner's manual if you're not sure. Make sure the connections are tight and it's mounted firmly. Keep your battery firing by driving your car regularly. If you haven't driven for a while and your battery's flat, you'll need a proper charger, so it's best to contact the RAA. Car battery acid can cause corrosion. Most batteries are fully sealed these days and don't need topping up, but look out for leaks or corrosion buildup. This is toxic stuff, so consult an expert before trying to clean it yourself. When you start a car, the battery warning symbol comes on temporarily. This is normal, but if it happens while you're driving, it means there's a fault. Your battery isn't charging properly, so pull over safely and call the RAA before it goes flat. And remember, if your battery's dead or on the way out, RAA Road Service has you covered.